This is a Libelle mechanical watch. It's an Ancre 17 jewel movement, made sometime in the 1960s. On the back of it, it says Swiss made, but the name does sound Italian, and I did get it from Italy, from a store that apparently still had some stock left over from the 60s. So not much is known about the brand. It must have been an Italian brand with Swiss movements. It is a beautiful design to the dial, certainly very distinctive, sort of like a spider web design you see on the edges here, with an offset second hand. And again, NOS, new old stock, so it looked great right out of the box. No scratches, it worked beautifully. Now before I used it, I did send it to my watchmaker to have it at least lubricated, because you know, after a watch sits unused for 40, 50 years, 60 years, or whatever, how old this watch is, it's going to need a bit of lubrication. The old oil has probably, well, maybe not evaporated, but it has maybe gone hard, caramelized on the mechanism, and you don't want to mess around with that, you know, given how delicate watch mechanisms are. So I sent it in to have it cleaned and relubricated. Oh, another tidbit that I just saw now here in my notes. The plexiglass came right off the watch after I got it out of the box. So I guess the glue that was holding it together to the case, you know, just kind of lost its power over the years. And the plexi just fell right off the watch. And so the watchmaker glued it back on. The mechanism is quite loud, as you can probably also hear in the spare moments when I don't talk. Here, let me let you just listen. It is quite loud, but it is typical of these Ancre 17 jewel movements, which were quite common in the 60s. Yeah. So I think that's about all I've got to say. Thanks for watching.